Hi everyone, welcome back to new Tec Pro channel. Today learning how to option a 12 volt output using a car cigarette lighter socket. As you can see here, with this you can turn it on 12 volt LED or a camera 12 volt or 12 volt motor and pump. You can use this for 12 volt output using a cigarette car lighter. For example, I try get the 12 volt here. For turn it on this LED 12 LED. For example, you can see LED, turn it on. Or for other example, I try turn it on this motor. That's good. Let's go to learn how to make this socket.